Hello and welcome to my channel. We are today doing a short demonstration for a vegan beef burger, which is going to consist of white beans, pre-cooked, psyllium husk, raw beets, grated, some quinoa, pre-cooked, some flaxseeds, the spring onion greens, some fresh thyme from the region, some salt, psyllium husk that turn into a gelée, natural gelatin, in order to bound our burger from the start. Then we have pre-cooked quinoa that's gonna give some fibers and structure to our burger, and also very healthy, by the way. We have some flax seeds, which is also a bounder. I pre-soaked it in the water to have it grow a bit and to be easier to mash. Some grated red beets, which is gonna give the color to kind of beefy vegan burger, and also give a flavor and the raw and the cooked together, a nice contrast. Then I'm gonna show when I was talking about the psyllium husk pre-soaked. The psyllium husk look like flakes, powder kind of thing, which out of 20 grams of psyllium husk, you get about 4 or 5 times of gelatinous psyllium husk as a bounder. Is very good. Then we have some Maldon salt in this case, which is flakes, and pepper. That's about it. We just mix it, form it into pads, put it on a Tepsi to pre-set the beefs, the burgers, so they are more or less settled. Then we can pan fry them if we want to, or keep them in the oven as a roasted burger. Alright, let's get started. I first use the white beans that are pre-soaked for 24 hours, and today I pre-cooked them with just a spring onion and a bit of garlic. Then I'm gonna smash or crush with the fork to make them more puree, which is quite easy, as you see. You don't need to destroy the beans, you just need to squash them. You can keep some in there, that's gonna be all, to give a nice feature into the vegan beef without becoming puree. You cook your beans, be aware of cooking them a little longer so they are easily smashable, so you don't deal with like crunchy al dente white beans, because it's gonna turn into indigestible burgers. This way we're happy with it. Now I'm gonna add my quinoa that I pre-cooked, my flax seeds, a little bit of salt, the psyllium husk that I pre-soaked that turn into a gelatinous, and I'm gonna add my spring onion that I washed and pre-cut, which is gonna give a lovely flavor to our burgers. Some fresh thyme from this country, some pepper, and at last but not least, the red beets. And we will probably obtain a delicious vegan beef, vegan burger. It's becoming a real vegan burger. Not only by the color, but the texture is really attractive. Look at this. It's almost like meat. We don't want meat, but it looks like a nice meat. It's a vegan meat. And as you see, I use a spoon, simple, to calibrate my burgers. You can use a larger spoon if you like, or an ice cream topper if you like, but in this occasion I use this and I can measure the way I want. So I have a little water here to make sure that it's not sticking. Because you have no stranger products in this, you can rely on what you're doing because you're the person who decides what there is in there.